Dear students, today we are going to learn the practice set 3.1. Before this, we already learned the meaning of numbers with rational indices. First, that is meaning of numbers when the index is a rational number of the form 1 upon n, that we have already seen. Now, today we are going to learn the practice set 3.1. First example. Express the following numbers in index form. Now first example, fifth root of 13. Fifth root of 13. How this statement can be written in the index form? Now fifth root of 13. Now fifth root of 13. Now here 5. This can be written as 13 raised to 1 upon 5. Now fifth root of 13, that is fifth root of 13, this can be written as 13 raised to 1 upon 5. Now second example, square root of 256. Square root of 256. How this can be written in the index form? Square root of 256. Square root of 256. Now in this karani there is 2, which is equal to, this can be written as 256 raised to 1 half. This is the index form. Now this is the index form. Now take third example, eighth root of 100. How this can be written as eighth root of 100. This can be written as 100 raised to 1 upon 8. Eighth root of 100. Eighth root of 100. Now this is the index form. These are the index form. Now I am taking odd number of examples, 1, 3, 5. You can solve even number of examples at home from this question number 1. Now question number 2. What is question number 2? Write in the form nth root of a. Now given example, write in the form nth root of a in each of the following numbers. Now you have given a number 81 raised to 1 upon 4th. 81 raised to 1 upon 4th. How this can be written in the nth root of a? 4th root of 81. That can be written as 4th root of 81. This is written in this form, nth root of a. Nth root of a. This is a. This is nth root of a. Now you have to write this example in the form nth root of a. That is 81 raised to 1 upon 4th. 4th root of 81. 4th root of 81. Now third example. 15 raised to 1 upon 5. This can be written as, how this can be written in this form? Nth root of a. What is n here? 5. Now fifth root of 15. How this can be written as? Fifth root of 15. Fifth. F-I-F-T-H. Fifth root of 15. This is the nth root of a. Nth root of a. Now fifth example. 100 raised to 1 upon 19. How this can be written in nth root of a? In the form nth root of a. N is here 19. 19th root of 100. This can be written 19th root of 100. 19th root of 100. Now in this way you can write in the form nth root of a in each of the following. Now I am taking first example, third example and 5. Here is also first, third and 5. Now even number of examples you solve at home. Okay. Thank you.